Heads up, homeowners say a recent survey by Remodeling Magazine shared some unexpected news about popular home improvements. It found that kitchen remodels are not garnering the same return on investment they used to. With that in mind, we suggest that rather than spending your money on totally redoing the space, selecting a few smart kitchen upgrades might be a better bet. As far as which projects make sense, we've got you covered. This video is a list of 4 upgrades that can be completed in a weekend or less. Watch them over and tackle them one by one. By the time you're done, your kitchen will have a totally new look for a fraction of the cost. Paint your kitchen cabinets. Has it been a little while since your kitchen has been updated? Is the finish on your cabinets a blast from the past? Are you starting to notice a few nicks and chips? If so, it may be time to freshen up the cabinets with a new coat of paint. While neutral shades are always in, consider taking things a step further and embracing 2018 bold, two-tone cabinet trend. The key to pulling this project off fast is organization. At the start, label your doors and drawers with corresponding numbers, so you know exactly where they belong. Then, remove them, clean them to remove any grime, sand off the current finish, and wrap up with a few coats each of fast-drying primer and paint. Change out the hardware. If painting the cabinets is too big of a job to tackle at the moment, give your existing ones a refresh by swapping out the hardware. Focus on choosing a modern finish and shape for the new set. While an argument can be made that gold is making a comeback, you really can't go wrong with a minimalistic option, either chrome or brushed nickel. Effort-wise, this job is fairly simple. After you purchased your new hardware, remove the old ones with a screwdriver. Judge if the existing holes in your cabinets will work with the placement of your new pick and fill any unnecessary ones with matching putty. Then, drill new holes, as needed, before screwing the new hardware in place. We've talked before about the importance of layering lighting, but it's especially important in a kitchen. When working with knives, you need to see exactly what you're doing, and adding a few pendant lights in the mix is a functional and stylish way to make that happen. Most pendant lights come with mounting kits that allow them to easily take the place of existing fixtures. Start the process by turning off the appropriate breaker. Then, unscrew the covering on your existing fixture and disconnect the wires before removing the fixture itself. Next, follow the instructions that come with the mounting kit for your new pendant light to secure it properly. Create a new backsplash. Your backsplash is arguably the biggest style statement in your kitchen. This element of your design is a bit more aesthetically focused than functional, so you have the opportunity to get more creative here. With that in mind, if it's been a while since you've redone your kitchen, it may be time to refresh your backsplash and, fortunately, you don't need to hire a contractor to pull it off. These days, peel and stick kits can be purchased at any home improvement store. The key to this project is planning. Measure the area you'll be transforming before you go shopping, so you purchase the correct amount of product. When you get home, lay out the pieces before you start working with your adhesive, so you have an idea of any adjustments that need to be made for them to fit correctly. Trends are showing that, in 2018, full kitchen remodels may not be the way to go. Rather, it may make more financial sense to invest in a few kitchen upgrades that will give your existing space a new look. With that in mind, we've hooked you up with 4 easy upgrades that only take a weekend to pull off. Keep them in mind for when you're ready to give your space a new look. What do you think about these easy kitchen upgrades? Will you be adding them to your to-do list? Share your thoughts with us in the comments.